Right, I've never used a selfie stick before. It's the first time using this microphone. I feel like I'm in a bleeding karaoke bar. I decided to break some of the YouTube guru advice. Introduce myself. I'm Pat, ex-journalist, ex-chef, ex a lot of things. Wanting to get retired at some point early, because I'm now 58. What I'm going to do is I do a lot of cooking videos, and I want to just do one that's really what I do on a Friday night. Having a couple of beers, doing a bit of cooking. It's pretty much a veggie thing now. This is my new tripod clamp thing, which I'm going to use to film it. It's my lamp. And there we go. I'm going to do something with some asparagus, aubergine, and some posh cheese, and some garlic bread, which actually is going to come out of a packet. But let's see how we go on. So we have some asparagus in a bowl, best place for it just now, and then I'm going to make a little dressing and go on it. Dressing for the asparagus, a couple of cloves of garlic, half a handful of cashew nuts, some vegetable oil, a little drop, and some walnut oil. Not adding any salt because they're salted cashew nuts. We'll add some black pepper to it at the end when we're mixing it all through. It's freshly squeezed lemon juice. Not a load, but you need a bit of sour in there. Cooking's all about sweet and sour. I'm not talking about Chinese takeaways. What do you need? Aubergine. Take the ends off there. Chuck it on the floor. Smaller bits can be thicker, get a bit more thin, as you go along. That's not necessarily the accepted wisdom, but that's how I do it. I put that in a bowl. And I'm not going to salt and dry it and all that stuff. You can, but I'm not. So I'm going to put some dry ingredients in it now. For this, I'm just going to use a bit of pop. And it does need salt. And some pepper. Just a bit of black pepper. And you see that? Tomato puree. Decent amount of it. A bit of posh Spanish cheese I found under the fridge. Just put it all in there like that. Normally I do this with my hands, but today I'm not. As I have guests, and I just drop the aubergine on the floor. A slice of aubergine on the floor. And then we'll let that sit. I've still not decided whether I'm just going to put the whole lot of this video up as is with all the steaks, and then maybe chop it down at some other point. We'll see if there's any interest. Now the asparagus, already heated the pan, bit of oil. I'm going to put that in there. And what we're going to do is basically we're going to braise it. Let's put it in like that. Get a bit of colour on it. Seasoning, salt and pepper. lets it evaporate. You're surprised. Right, that's it. That can cool down, I think. Have some cherry plum tomatoes. I'm just cutting them in half lengthways, just like that. Just like that. Not quite tiny cubely yet, but there's still time. Yeah. And then I'm going to show you a trick with some black olives. What I have here are Spanish black olives in brine from Asda. Cost me £1.21. All you do is give them a squeeze. Squeeze that salty water out of them. You don't need that. And it takes away the flavour. And if you can see, as I'm squeezing the water out, and beautiful natural olive oil is there. Go in with the asparagus and that walnut dressing. Do you remember that? I do, just about. That seems like it was a long time ago. If you're still here, well done. Even I'm getting bored. But why not? I like a bit of slice of life. I don't know if you do. It's not Kathy come home, but bloody hell. Could be up the junction in YouTube terms. But we'll see. But look at that. That is olive oil coming out of here. That's what's glistening. And all that salty water that's preserving it is coming out beautifully. Look at that. £1.21, that's only half a jar that I've used there. So what's that? 60.5p. You still get half pences, which we don't anymore. Which were great, by the way, for if you didn't have a screwdriver, use a half pence. Yeah. This, then we put in the warm asparagus. And that colour. Oh, very tasty dressing with walnut oil, garlic and cashew nuts. And there's lumps of cashew nuts and garlic in there. There's my Asda garlic bread, ready to go in the oven. A little bit of oil in it. I'll put the aubergine in. All those nice lumpy, clumpy bits, which taste great, by the way. See the char. And that's the kind of colour I want. If the aubergine's not burnt, it's just that lovely paste around it. Really nice. We're getting there. What we have here is what my mother would have called a small spread. Slightly Mediterranean. And half of it was freshly made. There's some Asda garlic bread there. And there's some little Spanish pickles. Hey, it's Friday night.